Now comes one of the biggest milestones in your pilot journey, logging flight hours. But here's the thing, it's not just about reaching a number. Those flight hours are your ticket to becoming a skilled and confident pilot, and how you spend them can make all the difference between just meeting the minimum and becoming a true aviator. Let's start with the basics. For a private pilot license, the FAA requires a minimum of 40 flight hours, but most students take closer to 60 to 70. And if you're aiming for your commercial pilot license, you'll need at least 250 hours. Sounds simple enough, right? Just clock in your hours and you're good to go? Not so fast. Uncommon knowledge alert. Not all flight hours are created equal, and how you approach them will determine the kind of pilot you'll become. Some pilots focus solely on the number of hours they need, but the real magic happens when you focus on the quality of those hours. For example, it's easy to fly on a sunny, clear day, but what about those cloudy, windy, or even rainy days? Flying in challenging conditions is where the real learning happens. You'll build confidence handling unexpected weather changes. These hours might feel intense, but they'll give you the edge when it counts. Here's a little secret: diversity of experience. Don't stick to flying in the same areas over and over again. Seek out new environments, coastal airports, mountain terrain, dealing with turbulence, or making quick decisions when visibility drops. Busy airspaces. This isn't just about scenery. Each location offers different challenges, like higher altitudes or tricky approaches, which teach you how to adjust your flying style. You'll be amazed at how your decision-making and situational awareness improve by exploring different flight zones. Uncommon tip: fly with multiple instructors. It's easy to get comfortable with one teaching style, but learning from different instructors will expose you to new techniques and perspectives. You'll get advice that one instructor might miss, and this variety will broaden your understanding of flying. Think of it like this: you're not just learning to pass a test, you're learning to be adaptable. And here's something most students overlook. As you clock your hours, to think like a pilot in any situation, you'll start to feel a shift. Flying won't just be about hitting a target. Your movements will become automatic, your awareness will sharpen, and eventually, flying will feel like an extension of yourself. This transformation from student to true pilot is the most rewarding part of the journey. It's in those logged hours where the magic happens. So, when it comes to logging flight hours, remember, it's not just about the hours you put in, it's about the lessons you take from each one. Every flight, every challenge, every new environment adds another layer to the pilot you're becoming. Ready for the final step?